Today's vlog brings us to this beautiful hotel, the Omni Grove Park Inn in Asheville, North Carolina, where we'll be spending the next few days. So let's go in and explore. When you walk in, they do have this sign that says masks are required for guests over the age of 12 by North Carolina law, so that is great that they are doing their part to stay safe during this time. This is our room. We are in 7011. It's our door when you walk in.
Welcome to our room.
You see a cousin Morgan when you walk into your room. It's like you can't get any better than that. But to the left, here you have your bathroom. I really like the tile on the wall.
I'm obsessed with that tile.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Here, let me, oh, I didn't realize this was gonna swing this way. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, and I love the baby blue. That's so nice. We haven't used this yet, but it looks awfully nice. Then we have the toilet, mirror, Sicilian tangerine shampoo, body cream, conditioner, love it. I usually only use fragrance-free everything, so it's kind of nice now and then when I go to a hotel to change it up. Some little items there, some more Nest. But yeah, just kind of a little bathroom. And we got your towels down there. We actually already asked for more towels. And looks like we have a hairdryer, so you don't have to bring yours. And then we have a little mini bar area right here with a Keurig. Let's see what's in here. Your safe, your fridge. Oh, we already have stuff in the fridge. Very nice. What else do you like about this room, Morgan?
I really like this little antique kind of mirror.
Yeah, I like that too.
With this like film finish to it. I think it's
yeah,
cute.
It's a nice touch. Very cute.
Yeah.
Then we have full-length mirror, and this is the actual room itself. We have 2 queen-size beds. What's this? Grove Park Inn, finest resort hotel in the world. Sunset Mountain, Asheville. Cool. Have a TV, huge dresser. We already unpacked so much of our stuff and put it in there. Then a little desk, nice leather chair. In our room, they have this bag that says safe and clean. Doesn't have the date refreshed, but it does say safe and clean. It has our remote. Oh, I think some paper, pens, some little wipes. That is very nice. And then we have just some water. I wonder if this water is included.
It is.
It is?
Omni preferred guest.
Okay.
Include your waters.
Oh, awesome. So that's included. And then this is really the focal point of the room is the windows. They're just unbelievable. You have these 2 huge windows that you can open, let in the fresh mountain air, and then you can see all of the resort in front of you. It's just gorgeous. I love this. I love when a hotel has like all of the rooms kind of look out into one main area, one focal point. I just think it's really cool and just a beautiful view. So yeah, and then you can just close these if you want them closed. Very nice. What else do we have here? A little chair and table. My niece already hurt herself on this chair, so a little bit of a sharp edge, but it's all good.
Oh, the cool thing over here, underneath, this is all the spa, like in this hillside, terraced in, and then there are pools that come out.
Oh, wow. I would never know that. Oh, that's the indoor pool?
That's like the indoor spa pool. It's like a cave pool.
Oh. That's cool. We definitely have to explore that. Sure. Kind of doing a rushed room tour because we want to go have some happy hour cocktails before dinner, but I wanted to show you our room before we messied it up. That's very important for the room tour. I don't think you want to see it a few days in. But yeah, this is our room. It looks nice, cozy. We're going to be here for a few days, so it will definitely feel lived in a few days. But oh, and I forgot to show you guys the closet. This is the most interesting little closet. So cute and tiny. And there's an iron up there. Oh, and there's a huge ironing board in here too, for those of you that love to iron. But yeah, and then they have some luggage racks at the bottom, but I just thought this was a nice touch. Just looks very old and quaint. Then we also have this door to the bathroom. So it's one of those sliding doors that are kind of popular these days. Sweet, and that is our room. Love it. Thanks for getting it for us, Morgan.
You're welcome.
This is where we're eating tonight at the Edison. I can't wait to show you the views. This is Annie in the future, and I wanted to show you that they have this clear partition here at the hostess table, and then they also have these little spots on the floor where you can wait and social distance while you wait for your table. This is nice to be in here when no one's in here though. Ooh, look at the fireplace. Do you like that chandelier, Morgan?
I like it in its setting. I wouldn't have it in my house.
Yeah. It kind of goes with the whole rustic feel of the place. It's so pretty in here. All right, that is all from Annie in the future. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. Morgan, this is so pretty.
Isn't that so cute?
I love it.
I'm kind of obsessed.
Gorgeous.
I got my food later.
And here is the view at dinner. It's raining, but it's so beautiful. Such a nice breeze right now. Gorgeous. Here's our menu at the Edison. There's a lot to choose from. My cousin Morgan got the lobster Cobb salad. It might be pricey, but it is massive. You can definitely share it among 2 people, and she said it was awesome.
Mac and cheese.
You got mac and cheese from the menu? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what it looks like. Is it gonna be yummy?
Yeah.
So from this terrace at the Edison, you have all of these views. So beautiful. And we're actually gonna go eat at this restaurant another night. I'm excited to show you that. Ooh, I'm showing them the view. Isn't it pretty?
Oh, I have to be on here.
Want to show me the fireplace? Is the fireplace over there? Ooh. All right, what do we have over here? Is it a big fireplace? Is it hot?
Very warm.
Charlotte, what'd you get?
No, I haven't talked to
Mac and cheese? And this is your second order of it? It was really good, the first one?
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks awesome. It's good? You recommend? Highly recommend. Here is my super delicious cheeseburger, ever so slightly eaten.
We're at the Edison.
Did you like the Edison? Yeah? Was it delicious?
Yep.
Do you give it 2 thumbs up? 2 Charlotte thumbs up? Oh! So right now we're walking in the hallway, but there's the Edison right there where we just ate.
We're about to go in the tunnel.
Yep, we're gonna go on a walk. It's gonna be exciting.
In the building. That's confusing, right?
The tunnels in the building. I like that even in the bathroom, they remind you to social distance. Now we're standing on the opposite side of where I showed you last. We ate right across the way at this restaurant. And now we are here at the marketplace, checking out the shop. They have Pete's Coffee, lots of snacks, lots of gifts to bring home. It's really cute in here.
You say.
Is it real?
Yeah.
Oh no. What's its name?
Trina.
Trina?
Yeah.
Oh. We have found the spa. It smells amazing down here. It actually looks like you're in an underground cave. This is the craziest entrance to a spa I have ever seen. It just feels like you're in an underground lair. So cool. This would be super relaxing. So here's the actual entrance to the spa. And then if you turn this way, there is a waterfall. I'm not making this up, guys. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. It's a waterfall. Here's another view of this waterfall. How amazing is that? I feel like I'm in Europe or somewhere else. This is just so beautiful.
It's one of the most funnest resorts we've stayed at in a while. so cool. I love it. I'm in love with this place.
So we asked for more shampoo and conditioner, and Morgan is gonna show you what we got.
So this is our shampoo and conditioner unboxing.
They gave us like a huge, oh my, that's excessive.
We asked for like 2 or 3.
We asked for 2 or 3 more, and they gave us all of these. Like, how nice is that? Wow.
It's kind of a lot.
Whatever we don't use, we will definitely donate. This is a lot, but so nice of them to give us all of these Nest products. Thanks for watching. I'm filming this outro the next day. We're about to go hiking, but thanks for watching our first day here and our room tour and our dinner at, where do we have dinner? The Edison.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Until the next vlog. Bye guys. Ooh, that was a good wave.